Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. Viewmaster Reel 1, Scene 1.
One day, while Uncle Jack and Will were out fishing, Holly was showing her parkour friend, Chaka, how to make a cake.
Chaka hungry.
Picture 2.
On their way back, Jack and Will found, hey, a real live unicorn. He likes my apple. Let's take him home to Holly.
Picture 3.
Into their camp came Enoch, the grouchy Altrusian. That unicorn is bad luck, Will Marshall. The topper in the land of the snow will come hunting for him.
Picture 4.
I'm going to call him Corny. We'll teach him to do tricks. Let's go find some strawberries, Chaka.
Picture 5.
The unicorn, turn him loose, Holly Marshall.
He's gone. Chaka, Corny's gone. Corny! Corny!
Picture 6.
Those big tracks. Topper, the monster from the land of the snow. He has taken your unicorn away. I warned you.
Picture 7.
Through the forest, the mighty Topper hurled his cry of defiance.
Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 1.
That's not a people. It's not an animal either. Oh, Chaka, we've got to save Corny from the topper.
Picture 2.
Bravely, Holly and Chaka begin climbing up the mountain on whose snowy heights lived the ferocious Topper.
It's getting cold.
Picture 3.
They saw the unicorn, and then, suddenly...
The topper! He's coming after us, Chaka. Quick, let's crawl through this little hole.
Picture 4.
Fins and clubs. Oh, no, Chaka. We've stumbled right into his cave. And here he comes. Hide.
Picture 5.
Chaka, the topper is really an abominable snowman.
Then Chaka sneezed.
Picture 6.
Maybe Eda. That gives me an idea. You have some cake in your bag. Give it to me, quick.
Picture 7.
Hello, Mr. Topper. Here, have a piece of cake. It's good. I made it.
Slowly, the Topper put the cake into his mouth. He liked it.
Viewmaster Reel 3. Picture 1.
Chuck piled some sticks together and started a fire. Holly waved a burning stick at the Topper. The creature drew back in fear.
Now's our chance, Chaka. Run!
Picture 2.
Quickly, they ran out of the cave and began leading the unicorn away. But the Topper was close behind them. And just then...
Picture 3.
Holly! Chaka! This way! Take the shortcut, the log across the ravine. He can't follow you that way.
Picture 4.
Jack and Will met them. While Holly led Chaka carefully across, Jack led the unicorn over the ravine to safety.
Picture 5.
I think he's telling us, stay out of my domain.
Picture 6.
He's going to throw it at us.
You stay out of our territory too, Mr. Topper. Don't you come down and steal Corny again.
Picture 7.
Well, I'm glad that's over.
Maybe you think I'm not?
Your cake tastes better than ever now, Holly.
Chaka hungry.
We want to add new videos every day, so please subscribe to our channel.
And if you had fun, thumbs up